Today we are going to update this table. This one I believe is from IKEA. It is just a particle board table with some screw-on legs. Still nice and sturdy, but it has been through a lot. It's got a lot of staining and some scratches on top. So I stumbled upon a product at Dollar Tree, and we're gonna put it on here and see how it works. I found this self-adhesive wall tile at my Dollar Tree, and we're gonna see how it works on a table. So this is that tile. It is really lightweight, kind of flexible. Let's take it out of the package and see what it's like. So it does have the look of tile. It is kind of raised, so it has almost a 3D texture to it, and not very sturdy. So it is raised, but then it's concave in the back. And it looks like we just peel this off to stick it on. So I've got a couple of these. The first thing that I'm gonna do is line it up where I want it on the table. So I'm going to have to do some cutting here. So I've got 4 pieces, and I'm just gonna have to mark where I want them cut. So on a cutting mat, I am just going to lay the tile down, make sure it's square against the marks. And then I'm gonna use a large ruler to help me get a straight line here. This cuts pretty easily, goes right through that vinyl. So it cut nicely on this side, then I just have to kind of shimmy off this backing here. So here's some things I've noticed about this tile. It's got a little edge right here that seals it down all the way around. The rest of these tiles are kind of raised up. So when you cut it down the middle, you have this nice pinch down edge here that's gonna stick, and here you've got a gap. So yes, this will stick, but there's going to be a gap. So when I put this on the table, I wanna make sure that the edge of my table has all of these pinched lines. So I've got everything laid out here, and I've put the sealed edges on here so that the middle edges where it lifts up are, of this edge that lifts up, are facing to the middle. So we're gonna peel off the back, stick it down, and see how this works. So it actually sticks down pretty well. This edge sticks down really well. And then you've got this almost textured look on the top here. So let's try one of these cut pieces. So these ends hold up pretty well, but there is this gap here. So I can put my fingers right underneath it. It doesn't exactly stay closed. So we'll have to come up with a solution for that. All right, so everything is stuck on. And I think, you know, if you look at it from far away, it does have kind of a nice look to it. There's a few issues I have with this product. One is that you have these gaps. You have these whole gaps where we cut the tile. So if you were to use these on a wall, you would definitely want to use the whole square and not have to cut any pieces. The adhesive is pretty good. Like, it's on here pretty well. I can't really peel it off. I'm sure I could if I tried, but it's on there pretty well. I don't know that I would use these on a wall, but this was kind of a fun way to update this table. I just need to add a little something to make this stick. So my final impressions, this was a fun product to use at $1.25 a square. It was really nice for updating this old table. I don't think I would put this on a wall, especially since I have textured walls. But if you have a project you want to try this on, pick up a square or two and see what you can do with it. Let me know if you've ever tried Dollar Tree peel and stick tile down in the comments. I want to hear about your projects. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.